So, I went to IBC in September last year. It was a really amazing experience. Anyway, I came across this unopened bag of goodies from some of my favourite stands at the event. You're probably wondering why I didn't open it until now. Well, I moved country and a lot of my camera gear was in storage. So, I said it would be cool to show everything I got. I really recommend going to the event if you can. It's a free event and you get to see all the latest and greatest tech. Not only that, but you get to chat and network with so many like-minded people, and that in itself was my favourite part. The cool merch is obviously a great bonus, but I had such a good time that I even forgot about the merch. Honestly, I got so much stuff, so I'm just going to breeze through them really quickly. I got this really cool hat from Vaxis, this awesome t-shirt from Sirui? Yeah, we all struggle saying that word. Oh wait, another cool t-shirt from Core Energy. By the way, I only came across their batteries at this event. I was seriously impressed with their technology. Definitely one to check out. From Tilta, I got this really nice luminous green coloured bungee cord, along with this handy little screwdriver tool. From CineD, I got this cool pin and a lanyard and a tripod opening keyring. I got a pen from DJI, this cool pin from Filmotechnic, this other tripod coin from Tingu. I really like the size and shape of this one. I got all these tote bags, this little squeaky toy from DZOFilm, which is cat approved. From Aputure, possibly my favourite stand at the event. I got some really awesome pins with their 1200D Pro and their Nova P600C. I got some Aputure sunnies, a tote bag, a lanyard, this cool strap, oh, and some Aputure socks. From Smallrig, I got a pin, and I got this really impressive camera strap, and I won a Smallrig S60 wireless microphone, which is really cool to get. And I got all these stickers from all the different brands that were there. There's some really cool ones in there. So thank you to everyone for the cool freebies. If you want to see how I added some of these to my film cart, you can check out my video of it now on my channel.